Warren Buffett was absolutely wrong about this one thing, and it's a thing which is often overlooked. He said he likes the kind of companies that he would buy and hold forever. In fact, if you look at his portfolio, rarely is that the case, and he's quite right to have said it. But let me tell you a reason why he said that, even though he doesn't follow that rule. If you look at Apple, for instance, he hasn't bought and held that forever because he could have bought it in the 1990s. He would have been insane to have done so. And he famously said he doesn't buy tech companies until belatedly. So he certainly doesn't follow his own advice. But what he's actually saying, and this is the bit most people miss, what he's actually saying is, I don't panic and I don't get bored. I want the kind of companies which, even if I do hold them for a very long period of time, I won't get panicked, I won't get bored. And that's also implicit in what he's saying when he says I hold forever, is that I intend to hold for a very long time, and that's the mindset that I have. Now, embedded within that is another thing that he often says, which is misunderstood, which is he treats it as if he's buying the whole business. What does that actually mean? What it means is, if I, for instance, buy some Microsoft, which is a stock of the week, I'm more than happy to do so. And you can see some of the other stocks that we've had in the past and how they've done from our approach on the Great Investments Program using our filters. Then I am assuming that were I to turn up to a board meeting at Microsoft, that I wouldn't interfere with what the board is planning. In other words, I have bought the business and I let the people running the business to run the business, and I don't know more than they do. That's what he meant. So now you've got the building blocks of a good portfolio, and one which behaviorally, psychologically, you leave well alone. So what's the call to action? Have a look at alpeshpatel.com if you want to learn more about this, if you want to join the program as well. Thank you all very much.